Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this beautiful, I don't even know what to call this, I just know it's beautiful for Thanksgiving. Well, we're going to start off with the shade Fudge, and I'm going to be applying that all over my crease, but at the same time I'm going to be packing it and blending with my same brush, just so I can really diffuse this brown shade because it's really harsh and I don't want it. Right here I'm just tapping off the excess concealer, making sure it's all flat and smooth so I can have my other shades look nice and beautiful on top. So right here I'm going in with the shade New Wave, and I'm going to be applying that on my outer corner. Also, I'm not going to bring that into my inner corner, just because we're going to be going with the shade Edge that you're about to see right now, that one right there. We're going to be putting that in my inner corner, and also we're going to be blending the two in the middle so it don't look like that harsh of a line. We're going to be blending it out, and just right there. Ooh, my timing's good. Alright, so now I'm just going back in with Fudge and applying it to my outer corner, just so I can put a little more depth in there. Now I'm just going to be taking Ice Cube. Ooh, Ice Cube. What the fuck? I mean Cube, the shade Cube, and applying that in my inner corner. Now here I'm just taking the NYX glitter liner, and I'm just going to be putting that on top just because it's Thanksgiving, and girl, we gonna slay. We don't want to go all out with glitter, but we still gonna, we want to save that for Christmas. Alright, so now I'm just going to be going in with my NYX liquid liner, and I'm just going to be doing a wing. Alright, so now I'm gonna be going in with my ABH blush trio in the shade Rose, and I'm just gonna be applying that to my cheeks.